Hi there, today we are making cocktailed lemon wedges. So I went ahead and peeled these, trying to get off as much of the pith as possible because that will make it bitter. And I have put the lemon skins aside with a little bit of sugar over them so we can do the candied lemons. We're going to do that later. But I wanted to get this going. I'm going to make a mixture of 1-to-1 water with sugar, and then we are going to cook these for just a couple of minutes to get them warm, and then we're going to hot bath them, can them. So that will be exciting. They're going to be sweet little wedges for cocktails later this summer. All right, we've got our lemon wedges with as much of the pith taken off as possible because that will make them bitter. We have our 1-to-1 organic sugar and water mixture here that we're just going to cook until the sugar dissolves. And then we have our jars that they're boiling. Remember, you want to boil those for 10 minutes to sterilize them, and then a 10-minute bath afterwards. And the mixture that goes into the jars does need to be hot. So I still have 9 minutes on my jars while my sugar water dissolves here. And then we are going to add the lemon wedges into the sugar water and then put them in our jars and boil them for 10 minutes, making sure that the lid pops down. All right, as you can see, I have boiled our lemon wedges in the sugar water mixture and added them to the jars. I always sterilize a couple more jars than I think I need. So I do have one extra here, and we do have a little bit of extra sugar water, which we are going to use because I'm trying to, be as low waste as possible. So I went ahead and filled up the jars, and now I'm sterilizing the lids, and we are going to put them back into the boiling water bath for another 10 minutes. And that's it.